guys, welcome back to another cook with me vlog. We'll be preparing dinner, and for today I'll just be making some mixed vegetables. I already have all the ingredients here. It's my first time to be making broccoli. I've watched the recipe on YouTube. I hope it will turn out great. So I have some broccoli. Let me show you everything that I do have so that you see as I speak, right? Yes guys, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Is it down here? Down here. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment in the comment section. Okay guys, so let's start this whole process. Over here I have the broccoli. I have 2 broccoli. I bought them yesterday. This one is already starting to go bad. Anyways, I'll just use them before they go completely bad. Then I have 1 onion. I have garlic clove, and I have some French beans over here. I have some coriander, dhania over here. I have a cucumber. Then I have these carrots. So yeah, let's just begin the whole process. I've already finished preparing all the ingredients. I'm going to wash my French beans and my broccoli. I'm going to put them in the fire. I'll boil them together for like 3 minutes. Then I'll remove them and wash them with cold water so that the cooking process can stop. Come ahead, let's wash these ones. right now I'm going to put these on fire, then I'll let it boil for like 3 minutes or so. So I'll let that boil for like 3 minutes. Then after it has boiled, I'm going to take it out of the fire. Then I'll stop the cooking process by washing it with cold water. I should have added some salt on it, but then let me just add salt on it already. Let's wait for the 3 minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, I'm still waiting for you to subscribe. Kindly hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Anyways, guys, I'm wearing a reversible bonnet from BONNETS. I am the CEO, the founder of BONNETS. So if you want a bonnet like this one, I do have a variety of bonnets in different colors, but go over to my online shop at beyote.accessories on Instagram and TikTok. Get yourself a bonnet or two. Bonnets help in protecting your hair from moisture loss, from tangles, from friction, from breakage. It protects the hair at your hairline from breakage, so you won't lose your hair at the hairline. Bonnets are a great accessory in hair care, so go there, invest in a bonnet. It doesn't cost much, and you see it fits so properly. And I like my bonnets because see how you can just see like inashika vizuri on the head. And I love wearing my bonnets, then I cover my ears at night so that like I don't feel a lot of cold because I'm not wearing a cape or anything on, so the bonnets act as my cape. Or anyways, head over to Beyote Accessories. So let's go ahead, check on our food. So that's it. It's boiling up already. Look at that rich green color, guys. Do you see that rich green color? Look at that. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll just pour these out. Let's do that together. So I'm going to start the cooking process. I'm going to start the frying process right now.